Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will be learning about foreground extraction using OpenCV library in Python. So basically foreground extraction means is when we want to remove background and we do not want to remove only a certain part which is constantly moving. So in this case we will be using background subtractor emoji 2 algorithm, which is given by the OpenCV library to extract foreground, or you can say we will be doing motion tracking. So if you have any kind of video, or like you have placed a camera in a room and you want to track whether someone enters in the room or not in your absence, you can detect whether an object is moving or not using this algorithm. So this is called the foreground extraction, or you can say motion tracking. So let's start with it. So first of all I will import OpenCV, and now I will read the video which I will be using to detect motion. So here I'm using this video. As you can see, this is an animation. So in this animation you have seen that two persons are walking. So I want to track their motion. So first of all I will read video, and here I will specify the path of the video. Now I will use this while loop. So before using while loop I will import the method create background subtractor emoji 2, and here I will use a variable to store this. And now here I will read the video which I have used over here, and now I want to apply this algorithm to my video. So I cannot apply this algorithm at one time at the whole video, so I have to apply in frames to detect motion. So now I will use I'm show method to show the final output, means the output after tracking the motion of the two persons, and the output and the original output. So original comma now I will use if cv2 dot wait key, which will prevent so this cv2 dot wait key will prevent the image or the output will from closing. So here I want to use so as soon as I press Q on the keyboard, the output will be destroyed, and this thing will come out of the loop, while loop. And remember that after using video, or if you are using webcam, you have to release the webcam or the video. So and you must destroy the all the windows which you have created during the output. So now I have written all the things, and if I run this, here both the condition needs to satisfy, so I have to place and here and now. So now you can see again. Now you can see that the part which was moving in the video is shown in the white, and the rest of the part which was not moving is black. So in this way you can track motion of any object, but now you can see the videos too shorts, and so that's why it ends very soon. So here I will place a time dot sleep method so that you can see the output very clearly. So now if I run this, you can see that now as this algorithm is tracking the motion, and you can see, and you can also say that we are extracting the foreground. We want to extract only the motion of this person, so this person is showing in the white region and the rest of the part is black. So that's all for now. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can go through the documentation of OpenCV library and see how did they implement this algorithm, background subtractor emoji 2, and you can go through the very detailed documentation and see what happens in the background. So thank you for watching.